This is a brand new 2014 GMC Yukon. This SUV has an automatic transmission, a 6.2-liter V8, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, power-adjustable driver pedals, cooled seats, speed-sensitive volume controls, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a Bose stereo system, roof rails, cruise control, a rear stereo, audio anti-theft protection, dual airbags, 3-point rear seat belts, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning, and satellite radio. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
James Wood Motors is located at 2111 US Highway 287 South in Decatur. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.